In this video, we'll be discussing the following three boards: After Actions, Incident Files, and Incident Contacts. The first board we'll be discussing is the After Actions board. From the control panel, select After Actions. The After Actions board is to be used to enter any comments or suggestions one may have for the After Action report. To create a new After Action, select New After Action in the upper right corner. From here, the first field you'll have to complete is the record sharing. You'll have three options. The first option, my agency or position. The second option, Guilford. And the third option would be the name of your subsystem. The first option, my agency or position, is if you only want to share this record with other users within your position. Selecting Guilford means you want to share this record with all users within the Guilford system. And selecting your subsystem means you only want to share the record with users within your subsystem. Next, you'll have to complete the description and recommendation. The description is the description of the issue or improvement that you see. Then, if you have a recommendation on how to solve the issue, enter that in the recommendation field. If you do not have a recommendation, leave this field blank. Next, under AAR type, select the type of AAR this record is. Then, if you have a file to attach with the record, you can simply upload it by selecting Choose File. Once complete, select Save. And as a reminder, all After Actions that are submitted are reviewed at the end of the incident. The next board we'll be discussing is the Incident Contacts board. From the control panel, select Incident Contacts. The Incident Contacts board is used as a repository for all contacts during an incident. To add your information to the Incident Contacts board, select New Contact. Similar to the After Actions board, you'll have the record sharing field. You'll have the same three options: my agency position, Guilford, and the name of your subsystem. After you've selected how you want to share the record, select if you're working that shift or not by selecting on duty or off duty from the drop-down. Next, you'll see your first name, last name, agency, current phone number, and email are auto-populated. For your current phone number, ensure this phone number is the most current phone number you can be reached at during the incident. For example, if usually this phone number is your office phone and you're working out in the field, change this phone number to a cell phone that you can be reached at. Or if you're working within the EOC, change this phone number to the EOC extension you're sitting at. Once you're complete filling out this record, select Save. If at any time you need to make changes to your contact information, simply select the edit icon to the far right. Once you select Edit, you'll be able to make any changes as necessary. Remember, once you've completed changes, select Save to save any changes you have made. The last board we'll be discussing is the Incident Files board. From the control panel, select Incident Files. The Incident Files board is used as a repository for all incident action plans, press releases for the incident, and all other incident-related files. To add a new file to this board, select New File in the upper right corner. Similar to the After Actions and Incident Contacts board, you have the record sharing field, and you have the same three options: my agency position, Guilford, and Greensboro. Select how you want to share the record. Once you've selected how you want to share the record, select the file type the file pertains to. First drop-down is overall file type: EOC file, media, or incident file. Once you've selected the overall file type, then you'll have an option of the specific file type. For example, here I selected EOC file. Now I have the option of either selecting situation report, incident action plan, map, or other. Once you've selected the file type, enter a brief title of what the file is. Once you're done entering the title, select the file you want to upload. Once you're done, select Save. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact Guilford County Emergency Management at webEOC@guilford-es.com. And as a reminder, all information found within webEOC is for official use only.